Hello Internet. Today we have mainboard from tp701 C+ machine for doing things, I don't know. There was a burned connector which client had already desoldered, but he couldn't find a replacement. So I went on TME and ordered some Phonics contact connectors. And I want to solder them in. The socket is a bit shorter and designed to be edge mounted, so I have to make a riser board for the socket. So let me open the FreeCAD and draw something very quick. I start with rectangle. Then make it 3D. Draw some holes for pins. And then cut it at the angle, which is achieved from the height of the plug and 0. Then just a quick drop to slicer. Duplicate to make a spare one. Just a quick test fit. Of course, I need to rotate it the other way. See if it fits on the board. Looks like it will do the job. Soldering is straightforward. Just tack it by one pin. Add some flags. And then do the rest of the pins. And we're done. Of course, you always want to clean the board. A final inspection. See if it unplugs. The plug was also burned, so the client can cut the wires and use them with terminals in new plug. Maybe it's not pretty, but at least it wasn't cheap. Thanks for watching and see you next time.